Hi, guys, welcome to our channel, The Pro Reviewer. In this video, we try to help you find out the best inflatable kayak on the market. Based on our research and knowledge, I made this list and tried to find and list those items according to their quality and performance, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 12. Elkton Outdoors Comorant 2-Person Kayak. If you're into fishing in lakes and rivers, then this Elkton inflatable fishing kayak is among your best choices. You will love that it can be inflated with a foot pump within 10 minutes as well as deflated, packed and stored in your car in less than 30 minutes. You will be safe when in the kayak, thanks to its 18-gauge, rip-resistant PVC material. Even your standard hooks cannot easily rip through it. You have double-sided oars with 3 aluminum sections with a paddle at each end, which can be clipped to the kayak's side. You can quickly disassemble the oars for storage because of their twist-and-lock design. You can easily store most of your fishing gear in the kayak storage pockets. The 4 built-in mesh gear pockets can hold smaller gear like fly boxes. The carry handles located at the fore, aft and sides make portage easy. The D-rings are great for attaching spray shields, gear and anchor, among others. Number 11. Advanced Element StraitEdge Inflatable Kayak. This is a versatile kayak in the sense that it can be set up in 2 ways, namely, close ports in cold or calm waters as well as self-bailing in rougher conditions. The StraitEdge is touted as the first inflatable kayak that combined the benefits of a stern frame and an aluminum bow. You will experience improved tracking ability, especially in open water conditions, while its self-bailing design makes it great for whitewater, too. Your rides will be more comfortable because of the padded seat and breathable foam mesh back support. Your peace of mind will increase, too, because of the heavy-duty material combining the sturdiness of PVC and tarpaulin, which are tested for high puncture resistance. You can ride it as you will a hardshell kayak, but perhaps with more care, since even a puncture-resistant inflatable kayak is no match for jagged rocks. Number 10. Coleman Colorado 2-Person Fishing Kayak. Recreational fishermen love the Colorado 2-Person Fishing Kayak because of its useful features and durable construction. The 18-gauge PVC material, tarpaulin bottom, and nylon cover provide a strong and sturdy frame that can withstand rugged lake and river use. Punctures are inevitable in inflatable kayaks, but the multiple air chambers in the Colorado ensures that the kayak will stay afloat even if an air chamber has a puncture. The airtight system keeps the air in while the double-threaded valve allows for quick inflation and deflation. Since this is a fishing kayak, you can expect plenty of fisherman-friendly features. These include the Berkley quick-set rod holders for hands-free fishing, such as when you're trawling the line, and the Sevylor trolling motor fittings, which come in handy when you want to expand your fishing adventures. Number 9. Sea Eagle 330 Inflatable Kayak. If you're looking for an inflatable kayak with the durability to withstand whitewater rafting, then the Sea Eagle 330 is a great choice. While it only weighs 26 pounds when fully inflated, it can carry as much as 500 pounds of riders and their gear on board. When not in use, you can pack it in its carry bag. When you want to use it, just inflate using a foot pump, wait for 5 to 10 minutes for full inflation, and drag it to the water. You can store several days' worth of camping supplies in its 3 storage areas at the port, starboard, and floor, as well as float a bag behind it. You can take a buddy for the ride, although it can also be used for solo trips on lakes, rivers, and even whitewater rapids. Number 8. Sevylor Big Basin 3-Person Kayak. Even expert kayakers use the Sevylor Big Basin 3-Person Kayak for their trips because of its heavy-duty PVC construction, tarpaulin bottom, and airtight system. All of these features mean that the kayak has higher than average resistance against punctures from sharp objects like rocks, branches, and roots. The inflation and deflation times are minimal, just 5 to 10 minutes, because of the double-threaded Boston valve on each air chamber. You can easily push it into the water and pull it out of the water, a task that can be done by a single person, although your 2 fellow kayakers may also want to assist. In case you're kayaking alone, you should put weights at the front and back while you sit in the middle for better balance. The kayak handles well on the water, too. Number 7. Sevylor Quikpak K5 one-person kayak. With its 5-minute inflation time, you can almost immediately use it on the water. You don't have to bring heavy pumps, as its portable hand pump will do the job. Your inflatable kayak can also quickly deflate after use, be stored in its backpack system, and stowed into your car's trunk. But use in rapids, rough rivers, and oceans isn't recommended for this kayak. The polyester cover and tarpaulin bottom add to its overall durable nature in relatively calm waters. You can easily pack your provisions in the kayak. You can bring along a tent, a pump, an extra paddle, 3 liters of water, and a day bag with your food and clothes in the kayak, as well as float a filled dry sack and extra class 1 PFD behind it. Number 6. Sevylor Quikpak K1 one-person kayak. This is a traditional sit-on-top inflatable kayak, but with a difference. It can be folded into a compact integrated backpack, which can be carried on your shoulders or stored in your car's trunk. You can fully inflate in within 5 minutes with a hand pump and deflate it within 10 minutes or less, which means faster getting in and out of the water. While you're on the water, your paddling experience will be better, too, because your legs, back and arms have sufficient room to move. You can use the multi-position footrest to change your position, such as between hard paddling and idling on the water. The cargo net at the kayak's front can be used for stowing your food and gear items, while the cup holder allows for easy access to your refreshing drink. You can also store your gear in a storage area. Number 5. Airhead Montana Kayak 2-person inflatable kayak. Get ready to be thrilled by the performance of this kayak. In case you don't like kayaking alone, this is the perfect kayak model for you. Airhead Montana Kayak 2-person inflatable kayak will allow you to come along with your buddy for fishing or kayaking adventures. It is better than being all alone, right? Besides, coming with your friend on your adventure, you will also have room to put in your gear. The best thing is that all these things will not have any negative effect on the maneuverability or stability of the kayak. There is a lot more about these incredible kayak models. This tandem inflatable kayak has 2 seats that mean that it can accommodate 2 kayakers. This kayak is suitable for shallow water bodies due to its inflatable design. The length of the kayak is 12 feet. With that length and a weight of 36.3 pounds, you can be sure the performance and portability of the kayak are perfect. Although it might not be very light, at least it is not too heavy. The weight of this kayak is just moderated. You will never get disappointed with this kayak's durability. It is made from premium quality materials. A combination of high-quality materials and sturdy construction supports the overall durability of the kayak. Number 4. Intex Excursion Pro Kayak. The Intex brand will never disappoint you when it comes to producing high-quality kayaks. Intex Excursion Pro Kayak is one of Intex's baby. The performance of this inflatable kayak is just what you need to have an enjoyable experience during your kayaking adventure. Do you want to know one incredible thing about this inflatable kayak? Well, its price is very affordable. Get rid of the mentality that only expensive is quality. Well, once you get this kayak you will tell us we were right. You just can't bargain about the quality of this Intex inflatable kayak. The features of this kayak are game changers. The construction of this kayak is very sturdy. However, the kayak's paddles seem to be a bit weak. The kayak's vessel is a product from a 30-gauge type of vinyl material. The vessel is further laminated using a polyester core. As long as you are using this kayak in the right way, it will last for a very long time. The kayak can also handle gasoline, abrasion, oil, sunlight, and also saltwater. We recommend that you use this kayak on water bodies with small waves. This will improve its longevity. The kayak weighs 43.6 pounds. It is not lightweight, however, with help from one of your buddies, you can carry the kayak to the waterside easily. Number 3. Advanced Elements Advanced Frame Convertible Inflatable Kayak. For versatility and high performance, you should trust Advanced Elements Advanced Frame Convertible Inflatable Kayak. This product operates both as a single kayak or a tandem. The difference is brought about by how the seat setup looks like. This inflatable kayak model from Advanced Element measures 15 foot in length, 32 inches in the width, and 2 to 4 inches for its tracking fins. The width is perfect to ensure that the kayak is very stable. That width size also allows you to paddle easily without any impairment. For kayakers who always love paddling with their partner, you should note that this kayak does not feature foot braces. However, the back paddler can utilize the middle space of far apart seats. If you are looking forward to having a comfortable kayak, this model is what you should go for. I mean, if you don't feel comfortable in the kayaking experience will not be incredible at all. That's why you need to get an inflatable kayak that upholds the user's comfort. This kayak seatbacks are very high. Number 2. Intex Challenger K1 Kayak. Yet another good inflatable kayak is the Challenger K1, a durable kayak made from welded material suitable for use on mild rivers and lakes. You will find its nimble qualities to be a plus when you're maneuvering between several kayakers, while its rigid I-beam floor adds to its stability in rougher waters. You even have an inflatable footrest, which will aid in maintaining proper body posture during your trip. Inflation and deflation are fast, easy, and convenient with a high-output foot pump. Once inflated, it measures 30 by 15 by 108 inches and accommodates a single person. When deflated, it can easily be packed into its carrying bag and stored in your car's trunk, thanks to its relatively light weight. You can store your fishing gear for safe storage and easy access at the cargo net and grab line, which is on both ends of the kayak. Number 1. Intex Explorer K2 Kayak Review. When it comes to inflatable products from kayaks to pools, the Intex brand is a household name. This is true for the Intex Explorer K2, an inflatable kayak suitable for use in lakes and mild rivers for recreational uses. Your paddling will be more enjoyable, thanks to its streamlined design allowing it to effortlessly glide over water. You should bring a friend on your kayaking trip since it's designed to provide roomy space for 2 people. This kayak is also such a snap to assemble and disassemble. It can be inflated and deflated within 10 minutes or so. You will appreciate its rugged vinyl material with an inflatable I-beam floor for added rigidity, durability, and comfort once on the water. Unless you encounter sharp objects, such as jagged rocks in rapids, your worries about the vinyl ripping apart is unfounded. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Check the product link in the description below. I hope you find a suitable product for yourself. If you want this type of video in the future, please subscribe to the channel.